Oftentimes we postpone doing the things we know we want to do because we're afraid of other people's judgments. I remember that day pressing that record button and uploading my first video on YouTube, and so afraid of what my people might think. And I was basically shocked that nobody really cared. And then it dawned on me that people don't really care about you that much. Not in a way that they don't like you as a person, but they're just so busy with their own lives, with their own problems, that you are not the center of attention. And I think the more people realize that, the easier it is for you to go after your goals and dreams. If you wouldn't be here by tomorrow anymore, or some of the people who are hating on you wouldn't be here, wouldn't you regret the fact that you never actually took action on achieving the thing you want to achieve? Every time you ignore that voice inside that's telling you to do the thing you need to do, you are basically telling yourself that you choose other people's opinions above yours, and that your opinion doesn't really matter. And this is a recipe for disaster, because it will definitely help you to destroy your self-confidence. The fear of judgment is oftentimes louder than the judgment himself. I remember getting my first negative comment on one of my videos, and first I got a little angry, but then after a while I thought to myself, who is this person? I'm open to positive feedback, or at least upbuilding feedback, if that's even a correct term, but you get what I'm saying. Not someone who just leaves a hate comment and just leaves the page. Usually it's those anonymous keyboard warriors leaving hate comments on your video. So, you need to just ignore that and just do the thing you need to do. Because, all of the people we look up to on YouTube, like Mr. Beast and Purpose Driven Man, and you name it, those people started just like you, just like me, as beginners, with a small audience, and they made mistakes, and they probably made cringe videos until it wasn't cringe anymore, because they grew a huge following. And I think the more we worry about ourselves instead of worrying about what other people think, the less afraid we are going to become, because we don't have time for other people's opinions. So I just want to end this video by saying, think about what you think, not about what they might. And I think there's where your freedom lies. By the way, I created a digital product, an ebook. It's free. First link in the description. If you follow these steps, it will help you to launch your first YouTube video within 7 days. So first link in the description. Anyway, short video. If you made it this far, thank you. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.